How to fix WhatsApp status not showing on Android. If WhatsApp status updates are not showing on your Android phone, don't worry. In this video, I will show you simple ways to fix it. First, check your internet connection. Status updates will not load if your Wi-Fi or mobile data is weak. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or reconnecting. Next, open WhatsApp and pull down on the status screen to refresh. Many times the new statuses appear after refreshing manually. Now go to your phone settings, then apps, WhatsApp, and permissions. Make sure storage, contacts, and files and media are all allowed. If any permission is denied, WhatsApp may not show statuses. Then go to Settings, Apps, WhatsApp, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Do not press Clear Data. Clearing cache will not delete your chats, and it often fixes loading issues. If the status of a specific person is missing, check if you have muted them. Open WhatsApp, go to Status, scroll to Muted Updates, and unmute anyone you want to see again. Also, check your privacy settings. Open WhatsApp settings, then Privacy, then Status. If you selected My Contacts Accept or Only Share With, some contacts will not see you and you might not see them. Choose My Contacts for full visibility. If you are using an old WhatsApp version, update it. Open Play Store, search WhatsApp, and tap Update. Many bugs are fixed in new versions. Sometimes WhatsApp needs time to sync. Restart your phone and open WhatsApp again. After restart, status updates usually appear within a few seconds. If none of these steps work, uninstall WhatsApp and reinstall it. Make sure you back up your chats first. After reinstall, statuses normally start showing again. And that's it. Now you know how to fix WhatsApp status not showing on Android. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more tutorials.